Hey guys, just going to try to help you out here with to avoid a lot of frustration on changing the front turn signals on a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. So your turn signals are located in the headlight housing, and in order to get that, you're going to have to remove the top cover here, which I've already done. It's basically a bunch of little plastic, I don't know, rivets for lack of better terms, that you need to pop out and remove that. You can use a flathead screwdriver or some kind of a, specialty pry bar. And then your next step is going to be to remove a bunch of bolts from the headlight assembly in the grille. So you've got one bolt here, one bolt here, another bolt, another bolt, another bolt, another bolt, another bolt, and another bolt. And what that's going to enable you to do is to gain some room down in here to remove the turn signal housing that the bulb sits in. In doing so, you can pry back the grille a bit and also the headlight assembly. And what I do, just give me one sec here, is I pry it back and just stick a screwdriver in that hole, and then you can reach down with your hand to remove the receptacle, and you're basically going to turn it counterclockwise, lift it out, and replace the bulb. Notice it has an incandescent bulb, and the receptacle has some screw lock fittings, a large one and two small ones, which have to fit in back into the receptacle and screw lock clockwise, not only to lock in place, but to engage these little electrodes, which are one there and one there, that actually make the electrical connection. And then you proceed to put it back in. So you're going to have to find how it connects in place. You might have to spin it around a bit and work it around a bit until you can find it fits into the channel lock positions, and then turn it until you can lock it in place. It's a little tricky. My next suggestion is to go and turn on the hazards to make sure that it works. Because if it doesn't, and it does work for me. I've already done the other side, so that one's working. If you're going to do this, it's probably a good idea to do both sides of the front turn signals. One thing I'm going to tell you right off the bat is do not use LED bulbs on newer GMC products, particularly my 2017, because I went and did that and found out the computer will not accept them because they work on a different amperage, and you'll find that they'll work intermittently and then shut off. So to complete the process, basically all you got to do, remove that screwdriver, position everything back in place, and replace all the bolts as I pointed out earlier, and you should be good to go. Hopefully that helps. Thank you.